Order calibration or maintenance by filling the form on Sparklike website. You will receive a confirmation email. Turn off the main switch. Take the barcode reader and screen off the device. Unplug the cables. Use the official Sparklike transportation box. Take the top foam out. Place the measuring head on a table. The main unit weighs 22 kilograms. Please set the main unit to its designated spot. Put the foam securely on top of the main unit. Place a protective cover. Close the locks. Send the device to Sparklike Calibration Center.